everyone. My name is Dr. Heyrani, and I am the owner, general dentist at Dreamland Dental and Orthodontics. We have been in this location for over 7 years. We are family owned, and we believe in providing the best care.
Hi, this is Dr. Nasibi, Pejman Nasibi. I am the orthodontist at Dreamland Dental and Orthodontics. My wife and I, Dr. Heyrani, opened up Dreamland Dental and Orthodontics. The reason we called it Dreamland is dreams do come true. When you come here, you always see me or you see Dr. Heyrani. You don't see new faces. And our goal has been to make it a comfortable family place. I have 4 kids myself, so when people come here, I treat them as a family.
We are not a big corporation. We're not a big chain. This is like one of our babies.
So I had a great experience with Dreamland Dental. The office, the staff here, great care. And I always feel very comfortable with every treatment that I have.
We have all the specialties. Pediatric dentist, which is my brother, Dr. Puya Nasibi. He's a board certified pediatric dentist. Myself, the orthodontist, Dr. Terzian, our oral surgeon. And of course, we have our endodontist as well. So we have created a private practice that provide all your needs.
I've been coming here to Dreamland Dental for the last about 3 years now. I was looking for a place nearby that stood out and had good reviews and whatnot. They were doing something a little different. The vibe was different in here. Dr. Pejman's relationship with me was super cool. He was super genuine. I think that's the best word I can find to fit everybody here. Is everybody's really genuine.
I see Dr. Heyrani. She is the general dentist and have done several procedures on me for my cleaning, deep cleaning, implants, extractions. She has done it all. Dr. Nasibi, he has put braces on me. I've been here with the braces, and those have been amazing. And I have had amazing results. You're not just a patient or a number to them. You are treated generally like family. I love them. Dr. Heyrani, we actually follow each other on social media.
I've been coming to see Dr. Heyrani for a few years now. I've never had to get a serious procedure done, but I just love coming in for checkups and cleaning, making sure that everything is all good. And I'm just loving the warm family energy here. It's always a good, fun time, and I always leave with a smile, so thank you.
We started opening this office. I have kids that were like 3 and 4 and 5, and now they've grown into being teenagers, and I see them and they're like, oh my God, how did you get so much taller than me? So the growth that we have with this community is just so amazing, and that, when I go to bed at night, I know that I've done good care.
One of the most beautiful part of being an orthodontist in Dreamland Dental Orthodontics is seeing the kids growing up. One of the best part is when I see the end results, when I create that amazing smiles for the patients. But the second best part is when my patients refer us to their family and friends, their cousins, they're bringing their siblings or parents. That's one of the most gratifying experience of our profession, when we feel like we're trusted. People are happy with the outcome of their treatment, and they refer us to their family and friends.